Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 BMW 650i xDrive. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 445 horsepower and 480 pounds of torque. This one comes with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 20-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A brown leather interior. Coming around back, we've got our 650i xDrive badging. Coming up front, we've got power windows, power seats, memory seats. Hopping in, we've got a heated steering wheel. We've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for a media display, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, cup holders, some more keys for our media display, our different driving styles, got sports and comfort. This 650i has 28,371 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW 650i, check out feldmannimports.com.